Clawhammer tutorial. This is my first tutorial ever, and I'm excited to be here. Today we're going to learn Red River Valley, which is a very nice tune. It's usually played in bluegrass circles, but I like to play it in the Clawhammer style as well, not the free finger style or the scrug style. I am tuned to relative standard G, so I'm in F, F, C, F, A, C. And I'm playing on one of my home-built banjos today. It's my latest build, the 5th of them all, and it's a very nice banjo. Anyways, this tune, it's a little bit weird to play in Clawhammer if you don't like to do the drop thumb. In this tutorial I will not teach you how to do the drop thumb parts, but I am going to teach you the simple melody that you can just do with the bum diddy style of usual banjo playing. So you start on the first string open. So you play the first string open, note it at the 2nd fret, and then play the 2nd string open. So it goes. And then you note you play the 2nd string open, you note it at the 1st fret, and then you play it open, and then you walk back to the 2nd fret of the 1st string and open again. And that's the first part. The second part of the song, it's the same opening. You note it at the 2nd fret, and then you play the 1st string open. Sorry, you note at the 1st fret on the 2nd string. Then you go back to you play the 1st string open, then you go back to noting the 2nd string on the 1st fret, and then you play the 2nd string open. And then this is I think the hardest part to play, or the most unusual part to play at least, and it's the last one. And I will play it first, and then we'll go for it. So in this part you go back and forth very much between the fretted 2nd string at the 1st fret and the open 1st string. So you note it at the 1st fret on the 2nd string, play the 1st string open, then you note that again at the 1st fret on the 2nd string, you play it open on the 2nd string, note it again, play the open string one time, and then you go back to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So you go, and then you play the first part again. So if we put all of this together, we get the first part, now the second, and that's the whole song. That's the whole song. I will now cut into a bit where I show the whole thing up close from the like the hand position on my left hand, and like it's just a bum diddy pattern, so just try to learn the melody with the frettings, put the bum diddy over it, and it should sound good. And that is the song Red River Valley for the Clawhammer banjo. If there are some parts that are unclear, try to go back and look at the example of me playing. I will also put a full version of me playing at the end of this video, so maybe that can be of help if you can't figure out some of the parts. And don't hesitate to write me a comment if you think something is weird or you don't understand anything. I'll put the tuning and all that stuff in the description. And give me feedback if there's something else you would like to learn, or some other song you would want to learn, because I know a few at this point. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.